So far we're absolutely loving Hong Kong. This is just awesome. Yeah, little markets. We're loving it. It's just fantastic. Let me turn around and show you. It's just like such a little buzz and vibe. So much to look at. Oh God, I love being in new places. It's so exciting. Okay, we are at the Sunny Bay MTR station. We're heading to Hong Kong, so we've had to get off at Sunny Bay from the Disneyland line, and we walked over the overbridge to platform 2 to Hong Kong. We get onto this train and we get off at the 3rd stop, which is Nam Cheong. Please excuse my pronunciation if that is not correct, but we get off there, then we've got to get onto another line and ride a couple of stops, and we're getting off at East Sim Sha Sui, I think it is, and we're going to the Avenue of Stars. That's our first stop today, so we'll keep you posted along the way. It's very easy to navigate the MTR. It's all signed so clearly. There's escalators that get you to and fro as well, which is handy. But yeah, it's all signed really clearly, so you know exactly where you've got to go. And yeah, just follow the signs and you get on the train when it pulls up. They've got little screens on the platforms that tell you how far away the next train will be, like how many minutes. So it's really easy. So we're walking now along Salisbury Road. That is from the MTR station. We got off the MTR at Sim Sha Tsui, as per the announcer on the train said.
There you go.
Sim Sha Tsui East station. Got off that, and then we had to exit at J2 to get to the Avenue of Stars, and we come out and we've walked along Salisbury Road for a little bit, and we're about to come around to the harbour now, and we're right on Starbucks, so we'll be able to go in and grab a coffee and have a little look around here at the Avenue of Stars. So that's the harbour. Wow, I need my sunnies, it's so bright. We just got our Starbucks. That was nice. Had a little sit down. We're going to have a little walk around the Avenue of Stars area, then we're going to get on the Star Ferry. We're here now at the Bruce Lee statue. No, you're right. You gonna do a special for us?
Yeah, do a pose.
Do a Bruce Lee.
I'm jumping into do a pose.
Okay, it's really loud here. We're in the middle of the city. We're in Central. We're heading to Mammy Pancakes to get an egg waffle, bubble waffle thing. We're just having a good look around, but it's crazy. It's so busy. The Central station, the MTR station, was absolutely heaving. I guess you would expect that, being central. It was just in every direction. It was just jam-packed. We're thinking of hopping on a Ding Ding tram thing a little later. See how we go. ding ding. This is like a hop on hop off that you can go around and get from one place to another or have a look around. So we'll do that later hopefully. But for now we're just heading to Mammy Pancakes and we'll show you what we get. Alright, so we got our Mammy Pancakes. Abby and I got chocolate chip and Garth got an original. So we're going to go over and have a little bite and see what they're like. They smell so good. Any first thoughts, Abs?
Sweet.
Nice, sweet. Garth, what are your thoughts?
Not bad.
Not bad? I'll have a go. Yeah, that's good. It is sweet and it's nice. You don't need anything on it. It's just perfect the way it is. Yum.
The next stop is Ice House Street.
We are on the ding ding train. It's hot. Our feet are killing us. So we're having a little break on the ding ding. Seeing some sights. We are on the mid-level escalators. This is like the longest continuous escalator. I haven't got the stats right in front of me, but it goes for ages and ages. You can get off. There's little breaks in between and where you can get off, but yeah, the locals use this all the time. There's stairs to come back down, like steps more than stairs. They're kind of like steps. But yeah, the escalator takes you up and it just goes up and up for a very, very long way. Alright, we are hot and sweaty after that big walk. That was crazy. Look, it is really well signed, but you've just got to be on the lookout for the signs. They kind of are everywhere, but if you're not looking for them, they're hard to find. We are in line now to get onto the Peak tram. We've used our octopus. We just tapped on with that, and we're about to get onto the tram, and I'm so excited. I can't wait. I'm also a little bit scared, but excited. What about you, Abs?
Just excited.
Excited? All right, we'll show you the view. So this is like the angle of the train. It's probably hard to see from there, but we have to go all the way up there. Oh my god, is that the line all the way up there? It's actually frightening.
It's not that bad.
Oh my god. That's terrifying. I've just psyched myself straight out here. I don't want to do it. It's too scary. That's like 90 degrees. Oh my god. Oh, I'm terrified. Here it comes. Waiting to take us up on that terrifying ride.
It doesn't look that rickety when you see it.
I didn't say it was going to be rickety. I said it was going to be terrifying because of the angle. starting to get dark and the lights are coming on. It's looking really pretty. I don't think the camera does it justice though. It looks way better in with the naked eye. But it is really pretty. It's quite cool too up here. We've got the tram down here loading up, ready to go again. Back down, but this is our current view, which is really quite pretty. There is a thick layer of smog though, but luckily we can still see the buildings all lit up. It's quite beautiful, and I'm so glad we did it. I'm so glad we waited up here and took our time to just wait for the sun to set and see the skyline change. It was worth it. We are at the ladies' market now in Mongkok and having a little mooch around. Have come to the Cheesecake Factory at Harbour City, the mall. It's been raining, our shoes are soaking, we had to walk through puddles to get across the road and everything, but we're here now. We're having a bit of a spoil for our Easter dinner, and we're looking forward to it. Nice little feast ahead of us. Garth got the New York steak. Is that what it was? Okay.
Charred grilled.
Charred
grilled steak.
Mashed beans. I got the pepperoni flatbread. Abby got the bacon cheeseburger with fries. We did get cheeseburger spring rolls to start with, but we forgot to film them. And we'll see if we've got room for some cheesecake. So I went for the red velvet cheesecake. It's massive, absolutely massive. And Abby went for the peanut butter. It's like got Reese's peanut butter through it. And it looks beautiful. Garth's still waiting for his. He got a brownie sundae. Oh, it's just arrived. Here oh my god, it's massive as well. Wow, that looks so good. Abby's trying to steal some. Alright, we're gonna dig in. Our final thoughts on the Cheesecake Factory. Not brilliant, but I guess we should have expected that going in. It's really busy, but some of the things just lacked a little bit of flavour. So Abby's burger, for the first time in our experience, we were asked how she wanted the meat patty done, which is we've never encountered before. So she just said medium because that's how we get our steak, but it didn't really work for a burger. But she deconstructed it and got something out of it. My flatbread was okay, very, very greasy. Garth's steak, what did you think? That was alright, wasn't it?
Yeah, steak's go. Yeah, it was a steak, I suppose. $62 worth Australian. Probably not worth that in my thoughts, but I suppose the whole experience overall was quite enjoyable.
Yeah. The cheesecake, like Dark Sunday, was good. I found the fudge on there to taste a bit unusual. My red velvet cheesecake was boring, and your peanut butter, it was good. Yeah, it was good. We each tried each other's, and so we certainly put a big dent in it. Red velvet's got the most left. It was the least popular. But no, on the whole, it was a nice little spoil and a nice way to spend our Easter dinner. Hey, we encountered the rain on the way in, so a couple of us have wet shoes, but we're going to go and brave the markets now and see if we can avoid the rain there and find ourselves a little bargain or something. Hey, alrighty. Okay, we've just arrived to the Temple Street night market. We just jumped in a taxi. It was like 30 Hong Kong dollars. We gave them 50. It's $10 for us, so not too bad. It saved us walking. And here we are at the famous Temple Street market. We had so much fun exploring Hong Kong. We absolutely loved the Peak, and checking out the views from up there was absolutely amazing. The markets were great. We didn't buy a great deal, but that's okay. We got a few bits and bobs and we really enjoyed our time. We would go back to Hong Kong in a heartbeat. The MTR system is absolutely flawless, so easy to navigate. We just loved it. Listen, please subscribe, guys. We've got so many more adventures coming up. Please don't miss out on any of those videos. Hit that subscribe button. It costs you nothing and it's going to help us out so much. We would really appreciate that. Thanks for watching. Catch us in the next one. It's all about Disney's Hollywood Hotel in Hong Kong. We'll see you real soon. Bye.